Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete vCard with attachments using the RecoveryTools vCard Organizer. Suppose there's a vCard containing 100 megabytes of data, and our goal is to delete vCard files with attachments and exclusively extract vCard files without attachments. The RecoveryTools vCard Organizer will manage the task. It will identify and remove files with attachments, then proceed to extract vCard files without attachments, resulting in a reduced file size of 50 megabytes. You can find the download link in the description below. After installation, launch the RecoveryTools vCard Organizer. This represents the user interface of RecoveryTools vCard Organizer software. This is the navigation panel. RecoveryTools vCard Organizer provides users with dual options. You can either select individual vCard files by clicking Add Files or choose the Add Folder option to insert multiple folders at once. Choose the Add File mode to browse vCard files. You can choose one or multiple vCard files. Then click Open. It displays all the vCard files we have selected. You can choose individual files by clicking on the checkbox next to each one, or simply click on the top checkbox to select all of them at once. Let's also opt for the Add Folder option. You can choose individual or multiple folders. Choose the folder and click Select Folder. It displays all the folders we have selected. This partition shows vCard main data such as vCard file names, email, numbers, and etc. These are additional details of vCards. This serves as a contact preview, presenting information in a user-friendly manner. This section contains attachments linked with vCard files. This icon denotes the presence of attachments within the listed vCard files. Select and check the folder. Click on Save. This is the saving option box, where various organizing options can be selected. The Delete vCard with Attachment function works to extract files only those without attachments. This is the destination path setting. There you can choose your destination folder by clicking on Change to choose where you want to export or save your files. With all settings configured, it's time to initiate the process. Click on Start. Once the process is complete, you'll receive a notification box indicating the process was successful. Click OK. The trial version of the RecoveryTools vCard Organizer will organize only 5 files. By clicking OK, we'll redirect you to the directory where you selected the path to save the files. Open the folder and check your files. Here you have successfully organized vCard files using RecoveryTools vCard Organizer. It's a quick and efficient tool for organizing vCard files. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. For more details, check the descriptions.